Hello, this is my solution for assignment 3 where I just made a simple AR application using depth mask where I just use a cabin or a room, a witch cabin, a magical cabin, and I placed a witch in it. I use depth mask so that it has like an effect. So let me play the AR. Oh, okay, before that, let me show you what I did. This is the top-down view. This is my AR marker, through which I'll scan and I'll show my AR. So here, okay, this is my image target, and then the depth mask is obviously hidden, you can't see it. So here behind it is my cabin, my witch here. This is how it is. I did not put walls as suggested in the assignment because this already comes with walls. Cabin already comes with walls. So let me play it and show you. The cabin already comes with walls, and the witch is standing in the middle of the room. I also have a direction light and a point light, like just above the desk, just above the witch. I have a point light so that you can see how the lighting works. See the depth mask here is visible because you can see the sides as well. That is it for my assignment. Thank you.